Welcome to Monday's Financial News Review powered by Centefx, a multi-regulated Forex broker. Stay tuned as we bring you the latest market news and insights.
Intel stock soared nearly 14% last Friday to $124.92, driven by booming AI chip demand and speculation about an Apple Foundry partnership that boosted confidence in its turnaround. Last week, the Nasdaq Composite rose 4.5%, the S&P 500 added 2.3%, and the Dow Jones gained 1.5%, supported by strong corporate earnings and continued strength in tech stocks. WTI crude oil futures climbed to about $100 on Monday, as renewed U.S.-Iran clashes cast doubt on the fragile ceasefire and dimmed hopes for a quick peace deal. The Canadian dollar weakened to around 1.37 per USD, extending the pullback from the 7-week high, following weak domestic labor data. Bitcoin slipped below $81,000 this Monday, down about 1.8% in 24 hours, as traders also grew cautious ahead of key U.S. inflation data and regulatory developments. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 2 p.m., the existing home sales in the U.S. are expected to decrease, after reaching almost 4 million in March. At 11 p.m., the UK will release figures for the annual retail sales of April, following 3.1% in March. At 11:30 p.m., Japan to release the household spending for March, following 1.5% in February.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by Centefx. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news. We wish you a productive trading week.